I decided to let AI create a product launch infographic for my coffee machine, Zeda, and honestly, I wanted to see how far I could take it. If you've ever launched a product, you know you need a clear way to communicate the product's features, benefits, launch details, and what makes it different. But turning all of that information into a professional infographic can take hours, especially if you're not a designer. But what if you could simply give AI your product information and have it turn everything into a polished, professional infographic? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did that using Venngage AI, while also exploring some of its built-in AI tools for writing, images, and design. Let's get started. First, sign up for an account. I have left the link in the video description below. Once you log into your dashboard, you'll notice that Venngage has a refreshed homepage. Right in the middle of the screen is the AI prompt box, where you can tell Venngage exactly what you want to create. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a coffee-making machine called Zeda. Instead of creating several different marketing assets, I'm going to take all the important information about this product and turn it into one professional product launch infographic. I already have my product information prepared, including the key features, benefits, product details, launch information, and the visual direction I want for the Zeda brand. So, I'll select Infographics, simply paste all of that information into the AI prompt box. Before generating, you can also scroll down and see a collection of professional infographic templates. These can be useful if you want some inspiration or prefer to start from an existing layout, but I'm going to let the AI build the design based entirely on my prompt. So, I'll click Generate and let Venngage AI do its thing. And after a few seconds, we have our first Zeda infographic. As you can see, Venngage has taken all the information from my prompt and turned it into an actual visual layout. Instead of staring at a block of product information, we now have something that's much easier to understand and visually engaging. And this is where things get interesting, because we don't have to settle for whatever the AI generates on the first try. We can actually start refining the infographic without leaving this interface. For example, if I want to change some of the wording, I can do that directly here. And this is where Vengage's AI writing assistant can come in handy. Instead of manually rewriting every section, I can use AI to improve the copy, make it shorter, rewrite it, or adjust the tone to better fit the design. So, if there's a section that feels too wordy, I can simply select it and use the AI writing tools to refine it. I can also work on the visuals. Venngage has an AI image generator, which means I don't necessarily have to rely only on stock images. I can generate a visual that fits the Zeda product and the style of the infographic, then add it directly to the design. And of course, I can still make traditional edits myself. I can change the text, move elements around, replace images, adjust the layout, and fine-tune anything that doesn't look quite right. This is what I like about the workflow. The AI handles the heavy lifting, but I still have complete control over the final design. After making a few adjustments, our Zeda product launch infographic is ready. Now, instead of having all this product information sitting in a document that nobody wants to read, I have a polished visual that can be used as part of the launch campaign. I could share it on social media, download it, include it in marketing materials, send it to potential customers, or even use it as part of a product presentation. And the entire thing started with nothing more than my product information and a simple prompt. And this is the final result. We started with a simple block of information about Zeda, and Venngage turned it into a professional infographic that is much easier to understand and much more engaging visually. And because everything can be edited inside Venngage, I can continue refining the infographic until it looks exactly the way I want. For a product launch, this can be incredibly useful. You can take your product features, benefits, pricing, launch timeline, or even customer information and turn it into visual content that people can understand at a glance. So, if you have a product, service, course, or even just an idea that you need to explain visually, this is definitely a workflow worth trying. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials like this, and let me know in the comments what AI tool you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget, I've left the link to Venngage in the description if you want to follow along and try it yourself. You can get started for free, and if you decide to upgrade, use my discount code APipeline-2 to get 50% off any Venngage Premium or Business plan. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.